Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download land cover data from Google Earth Engine in a large scale. Okay, in order to do this, I'm gonna first upload a specific area for my purpose. For this one I'm gonna go to Assets. In previous tutorials I showed you how to import shape files from other software into Google Earth Engine. Okay, in order to do this, I'm gonna use my assets in order to import the data that I'm interested in downloading land cover for that. Okay, from here, I'm gonna use import. Okay, as you can see, it's imported successfully. The next step, I'm gonna use map center object and also map.layer in order to add my layer into my screen. Here I have to copy and paste the name of my polygon. Again, I have to paste it here. Okay, now it's okay. I can save my code. I have to give it a name. Downloading land cover data would be a good option. Okay, it's successfully saved. Now, by running my code, I can see my study area. Okay, now it's time to call my collection. As I said before, I'm gonna use MODIS land cover data for this purpose. In order to do this, I'm gonna come to search. From search, I'm looking for land cover data of MODIS. We are looking for this product. By clicking on this product, we can see a brief explanation regarding this product and its availability from 2001 until the present time, and also different bands that it includes. For example, we have different types of land cover here. Depends on your usage, you can choose one of them. For the first time, I have to copy its ID, come to my code, define my collection as a land cover. For calling my product, I'm gonna use image collection. Okay, paste my product ID here. Okay, until now it's okay. Right now I have to define my boundary and also the date for this product that I'm interested in downloading them. I'm gonna start with filter band to define my study area. My study area, the name is table. Okay, the next one I have to define my date. I'm interested in downloading data for the year 22. Okay, I'm gonna add and also another filter as a median in order to convert all the collection into individual sections. For the last one of this part, I'm gonna select one of the land cover types. For this one, I'm gonna use select. Okay, I have to go back to my product again. From bands, I'm gonna choose this land cover type provided by University of Maryland. Okay, right now it's okay, and I can save and run my code. We can now see its result, but we can use print for this purpose, the name of the collection. Okay, if I run the code again, we can see its collection, its result here. As I said before, I'm interested in downloading this data. For this purpose, I'm gonna use export image into my driver. I have to describe some parts of my, let's say, collection for this one. From image, I'm saying that from this product that I collected, I'm using description in order to give a name to my exported product. For this one, I'm saying land cover. Again, I have to define my study area. For this one, I'm using region, and my study area is table. And scale of my product. Now, scale of the scale that I'm interested in downloading this product. I'm gonna put on 10,000 since the study area that I'm downloading its data is a large one, because I'm interested in downloading it in a fast way. If you want, you can decrease its spatial resolution, depends on your need. Max pixels also should be 19. Okay, until now it's okay, and I can close my code, save it, and run the code again. Okay, now we can see that it's successfully run it. If I go to task, I can see that it's ready to export. By clicking on this, we can download it easily. As I said before, depends on your need. You can download which type of land cover you are interested. All of them are available here. Okay, it's successfully downloaded. Now I can go to my Google Drive. I can download my data easily. My desktop, for example, I'm gonna save it. Okay, right now you can use other softwares, for example QGIS or ArcGIS, to open your data. I'm gonna use ArcGIS. Okay, as you can see, it's downloaded data in certain class. In order to specify which class belongs to which one, I'm gonna go to the classified, give them a name. Okay, we can see land cover dataset here. Let me classify them in a manual way or equal interval. Okay, I'm gonna specify which this number belongs to that. In order to do this, I'm gonna back to my data product again. From bands, we can see we downloaded this one. I'm gonna go down. You can see class table for land cover type 1, land cover for type 2. Value 0 belongs to the water bodies. And we can see here, these are water bodies in my study area. The other one, for example, value 1, evergreen forest, or the other things that you can see here. For example, value 9 belongs to savannas, grasslands, urban and built-up area, croplands, or whatever you are interested. You can see specific information regarding your downloaded data from here. Okay,